one, we thought it'd be a good idea if you're running out of things to do at home to design your own Easter egg. And here are some examples that we have been working on. You can see the sort of design on that there, trees and very simple shapes. And we've used pencil and felt tip pens on this one here. And you can use paint, you could use nail varnish. There's actually a coating of clear nail varnish over the top to give it a nice shine. Or you could use stickers or any material if you've got anything like that at home. That's quite effective, quite a nice one that Lottie designed. Or you could use a stamp effect and just keep your design simple but quite nice and effective. There we are. And here's, or you could do an animal. You could draw a picture if you like. Here's an example of a rabbit, if you can see that. There's the front and there's the back. Thank you very much. Or you could maybe go for something a bit more dramatic, like a gold egg. We have other eggs here too. Felt tip pen there, different types of pen, a little bit of white paint. You could always use Tipp-Ex. And here is another one. It got a bit messy, this one, I think, but you can see it's nice and shiny and glittery. So I'm hoping that you have materials at home that you can use, such as tissue paper. If you want to stick things down onto the egg, you can do that directly. Or if you've got any paint at home, there's acrylic paint. You can use different types of pen. There's metallic. We've used watercolour pens. We found that went on to the egg quite nicely. And you can paint directly onto the egg, or you could draw onto the egg. You don't have to use any fancy tools for a very good quality effect. Now, we're going to show you how to blow an egg. But you don't have to do that. Blowing the egg means that it lasts for a long time because there's nothing inside it to rot. But you could boil an egg, decorate it, and throw it down a hill the traditional way on the Sunday. Okay, so we're going to show you how to blow an egg. Okay, so here is how to blow your own egg. I have a raw egg here. And what you're going to need is some sellotape, or any kind of tape really, a pin or a needle, something with a very sharp end, and something slightly bigger as well. A cocktail stick is ideal if you've got one in your house. What we're going to start by doing, of course it's useful if you have an egg cup or something, you can sit the egg in, and it's very good to have a clean bowl to catch the raw egg. So we'll start off by taking the tape and taping that to the top and the bottom of the egg. That's supposed to help strengthen the shell while you are making your holes. So we need to put 2 holes in this egg. We're going to put one at the top. This is quite tricky. So try and push the needle through. This must be a really tough, thick shell. You have to remember all the time that these eggs are very fragile. Hope it doesn't burst in my hand. There we go. Okay, there's a nice, this is quite a thick egg. There's a sharp point there, and we're wiggling it around inside to try and break up the egg white and the yolk. You want those to come out together, not separately, because it's very difficult to get that to come out separately. It's much easier if you give it a good mix up inside. And sometimes even if you shake the egg or agitate the egg. There we go. And of course you need a hole in the bottom as well. And at this stage, use a plate, nice clean plate, because you can use the egg later, and that goes straight in, and wiggle that around as much as possible. And the egg's starting to come out one end already. Now, the bottom end of your egg should have the biggest hole. So we'll get our cocktail stick and make that a little bit bigger. So that's actually quite a big hole now. And you could make it a lot easier for yourself and quicker if you made the top hole bigger still, you could fit a straw into it to blow out the inside, or you could, that's perfect. Once you've done that, all you have to do is start to blow your egg and take all the insides out, and you can see that's coming out really quickly. Yeah. Okay. And that is our empty raw egg. I think there's maybe a little bit still left in there, and we'll stick that straw back in. No, I think that's it. Okay, so once you've done that, you can take the tape off the top and take it off the bottom. Okay, it's getting a bit messy. Now, at this stage, it's a good idea to give your egg a wash in cold water. So I'm just going to do that now. All right.